Hi everyone, it's Ruth and I want to tell you about some of the new things that are available in the online store right now. And of course they're all my favourites because I only choose the things that I love and have some meaning. And the first thing I want to tell you about are these beautiful mala beads, M-A-L-A, from Bali. I'm going to read the box to tell you about them. Rudrashka beads are regarded as the timeless jewel of the gods. That's those brown beads there. They actually come from a tree. They're not harvested, they fall off the ground and they take quite a long time to dry out, and it's all done by hand. They're considered the most powerful aid in self-realisation. It's believed that Rudrashka beads grow on trees emanating from Lord Shiva's tears, and they've been used for centuries in Hindu and Buddhism for self-empowerment and to live a fearless life. Now, who doesn't want some of that? Some folk believe the world would be in harmony and peace if everyone wore Rudrashka. The mala, which is the whole necklace, always contains the mystical 108 beads. The number signifies the unity and wholeness of life. They come in a beautiful box with a description about mala and then another description about each of the actual malas. There are 8 to choose from. And they all have a little tassel at the end in different colours. This one, with the red, dark blue and white, is for harmony and protection. And whilst I haven't worn it very much, on a recent car journey that was going to take me quite a long time and I was getting myself a little bit stressed about in advance, I had this in the car with me, and it's lovely because it's just that reminder to stay peaceful, to stay at one and be in harmony with what's going on around you. And the other one I have, and my neighbour's just got one of these, is the Beauty Goddess mandala. Again, 108 beads, that's white, and it's got white, pink and blue beads, but there's 8 to choose from. For creativity, confidence, beauty goddess, which is this one, earth element, fertility and abundance, 5 elements, forgiveness warrior, harmony and protection. And those are available right now. Bali Mala beads.